How to delete story drafts on Instagram. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. So to delete your story drafts on Instagram, what you need to do is you have to open your Instagram app and make sure that you are connected with the internet. And when you are connected with the internet, and you can also know that this video is similar for the both Android and iOS. So what you need to do is you have to firstly open your Instagram app and then click on the plus icon in the top left corner, and then you can see this side menu, and in the most bottom you can see this pop-up menu. So go to the story, and here what you can do is you can see the image icon in the bottom left corner. Click on the image icon, and here you can see the gallery in the top left corner. So you can see the gallery option and in the right side of gallery you can see the drafts. So click on the drafts, and what you need to do to delete story drafts is you can see that select multiple option in the top right corner. So when you click on the select multiple option, then here you can tap on any of the story drafts to delete. So let's say I want to delete this story draft, so you have to tap on the story drafts. And if you want to again you can also delete the multiple story drafts in one time, so you can also choose the second story drafts. And then what you need to do to delete it is click on the delete button in the bottom left bottom of the option, delete option. Click on the delete to, and it is saying that delete drafts. Click on the delete button, and now your drafts is deleted. So that's basically that how you can delete your story drafts on Instagram. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video and comment below that it works. I appreciate that. Have a good day.